35.69% ROI since August 2020. With only $1,250, you could have made $587. With $100, you would have made $35. And with $100,000, $35,690.
Oh my.
Not too shabby, right? What if I told you that you could have done all of this in your sleep with no monitoring or analysis needed? Keep watching to find out how. If you couldn't already tell, I'm not a financial advisor, just a regular guy who went to school and works a job, so I must tell you that past performance does not guarantee future results. However, it gives you an idea of what to expect and is definitely better than buying random stocks and praying they go up. Okay, but what about the strategy? I'll share it to you for free right now, so stick around. Here it is.
Here comes the money. Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
But what does this all mean? Well, the strategy uses math and previous stock prices to get a better idea of the market than a human I could tell. It uses something called an indicator, and this indicator is called the RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index. This is one of my favorite things to use when trading stocks, because it gives you a quick and easy idea of if the market is overbought or oversold on a scale of 1 to 100, 1 being oversold and 100 being overbought. The RSI is also so great because it gives you an idea of where the market is going before it makes it move up or down, meaning you can get in before and make some money. The strategy is based on the concept of buying stocks when they are oversold and waiting until they are overbought to sell them. You want to buy when oversold because people are greedy to sell, and you can get the stock for a good price as a buyer. The supply for selling is low and the demand is high, so if you decide to buy, you can get a good deal. For example, if the RSI value is less than 45, it would buy and then sell once the RSI goes above 55. Simple enough, right? But how did I know this idea actually would work before I started using it? That's a great question. I tested it with stock data beforehand to see if it would perform well, and that's how it made 35.69% ROI on the Google stock. The strategy isn't a one-trick pony either. It also works very well on the SPY stock, which is a stock that is made up of the top 500 companies in the USA. It made more than 4% ROI in this case, which is really good considering the SPY is down nearly 8% over the last year, meaning the strategy beat the SPY by about 12%.
Wow.
Not to mention that you could have used the strategy completely passively and watched it do all its magic. Okay, but how could I do this in my sleep with no monitoring? Just click this button. Yes, it was that simple. I now have an AI bot making trades for me based on the strategy in the real stock market. Pretty cool, right? Now, and go and sleep while my bot goes to work. There's so much more I could go over about what makes a strategy good, how to make one, how to test effectively and optimize the strategy, and so much more. But I don't want to take up more of your time. If this is something you are interested in, please leave a comment and please ask any questions you may have. I'd also appreciate if you subscribed and dropped a like for me revealing the strategy to you. It will let me know to keep making more videos like this. Finally, if you would like to see the results for yourself, check the comments or description for the link to the app where I made the strategy. Share this with your buddies. I'm sure they'll like this strategy.
You happy? Absolutely, man. Absolutely, my friend.